Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we have another Temu package all the way from the folks over at Temu in China. Now this is really exciting stuff because in here we have got only paintings, which is really good. I'm trying to segregate paintings into one package and then obviously bits and other pieces like gadgets and stuff, or anything that I find that like the look of, I will put in a separate package. That way we can really keep this to, I thought that was a spider over there, it was the screw on the loop, because it looks like a little spider. It was moving and I was like, oh, but anyway, but let's get into here. We have got a Lion King themed, and I can't remember what the other one was. I think it was Paris, I think. No, we'll find out. But in here we have two paintings. So, oh yes, I know what it is now. The little cat. So in here, as you can see, we've got a little cat. I do love my cats. And yeah, let's take a look at this. So this came really quick in here. So lovely floral design. This will go quite nice with that. Oh crap, I'm pulling the paper off. That will go quite nice with the Stormy one that I did. You know, the one in remembrance of Stormy. So let's get to this. This is a really... Right, this is a poured glue. The reason we call it poured glue is because the glue gets poured on. And you'll know it's a poured glue when you get cellophane like this. When you get double-sided tape, that's the one that looks like it's got white release paper on it. So that's how we go. So this is a 30x30. As I said, I'm getting really fond of this colour. This painting size. It's rather thin canvas, but I think it should be okay. The colours are absolutely gorgeous. There's a lovely mingulation of all different colours here. And I know Sunny Stormy's going to like this, but let's check the stick. Yeah, that stick is fantastic. So in here we've got 20 colours. So let's take a look at, I like the little flower that she's wearing there as well. And there's another one down here. So that's going to be a really colourful one. You can probably tell I'm doing like a cat theme. Well, it could. I've not actually decided if I will do a cat theme, but I seem to have I've accumulated a lot of cats. But yeah, this is quite a nice petite little package. So let's get into here. Okie dokie, right. Okay, let's see what we got. So we've got some blues, purples. There's a, sure just saw another one in there. We've got some, this is really lovely purples, isn't it? Loads of different shades there, and this vibrant one, I love that colour. Purple there. Some pinks, we've got some greens, a few pinks, some blues, and some black, and some pink, light blue, pink, banana. You know in the Minions where it goes banana. Anyway, but yeah, that colour there really just gives me the vibe of bananas. But anyway, that's not a defect, by the way. I've spilt a bit of milk over there when I was making my tea. And yeah, I have noticed, normally if it's a really colourful painting, you will get the logo where it says V, or V for variety, or crafting with V. Yeah, so that's a good one. And then obviously your standard sort of boat there. Again, no drills there. So let's put that over to one side. And the next one in my package is this one here. I'm a massive, oh gosh, this is small. Wow, that is really small. I'm doing a new size, which is called 20x30, and it's quite a small one. It will go very nice with my yin and yang, and I love the Lion King, as you know. Unfortunately, when I looked at this, they didn't have another size, so it was either do I get it or do I not. So, I mean, I'd like it a little bit bigger than this, but they only had the one size, so... But these ones are really cheap. They're like £1.67 something. So in here we have a 20x30. Oh, this is interesting. I've never done one like this before. So this is like Oh wow, that's a really sort of portrait one. Well, this is interesting. In all my years of painting, I've never done one like this before. That's cool. So this is a 20 times 30. We've got 15 colours in here. It's really lovely print. As you can see, it's got Nala and Simba there walking through the jungle. I think there's going to be a lot of foliage and green there. It's a lovely little portrait one, actually. I quite like the look of that size. Very, very lovely done. I always am on the hunt for new sizes. I do a hell of a lot of 30 times 40s. I've just moved into sort of 30 times 30s. This one's really nice. Keep it nice and straight. Perhaps you could put it on your, the hallway. I mean, it would really look nice on like a train, like framed on the train, because they do like leaflets on there. Imagine it if actually someone diamond painted and then just randomly put it, like blue tacked it to the train and went, here's your present for giving me a great train journey and stuff. But yeah, I'm really liking that. I think I might be tempted to cut the border off on this one, but yeah, I'm a massive Lion King fan one, so this has come out really nice. I have got another one very similar to this. It's a square jaw, but oh, I like that. Very happy with that. Beautiful, well done Temu. Right, again, no bags in that one, but these are our colours. I'm definitely going to get another 20 times 30, because that's lovely. Really am happy with that. Okay, so in here we've got two different ones here. Let's get into this one first. So we've got some blacks, greeny sort of, I'd say brute colour there. Some browns and greens and oranges. We've got greens, lime, sort of like a pea green. I wouldn't say that's mint, sort of like a, ooh, I don't know, pea green would you say? Mint, no. Evergreen? I don't know. Make it evergreen, eyes like a sunrise. But anyway, and then we got that colour there, which is banana. Yeah, man. Okay, so that's that one. And then we've got these ones. So we've got orange and another one of that gorgeous teal colour there, and a yellow and a dark green and a little blue there. So really lovely. So these are my two unboxings from Temu. I am going to be phasing Amazon unboxings out because I'm just finding so many that I want on Temu. I mean, near enough everyone that I put on my wish list on Amazon I can find on Temu, and it's much cheaper. I mean, obviously you want to, when you're diamond painting, you want to keep the cost nice and low, because remember that you're spending all the time on these things. So try to get it as low as you possibly can, and then you'll find that you'll get like perhaps 4 for a tenner. But yeah, I'm comfortable around the £5 mark, or if I really like it, I will exceed it to £10 max, but I don't really like to go higher than that. I think my highest one I've ever bought is 16 quid, but that is well worth the price because it's a big waterfall one. But let me know in the comments which ones you like. I'm really happy with this. I'm really itching to get into this one because I love me Lion King. They're even talking about coming out with a Mufasa movie. Talk about wreck a film, because some films you just don't want to touch, and I don't know why. It's going the same way as like Marvel. Marvel are individual characters, so yeah, I don't really like the idea of that. But yeah, you can't beat this. The live action one is very poorly done. You can't beat the classic Lion King film. But anyway, I must stop rambling on. That is Temu. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. We've got more diamond paintings coming up through Temu, and that should be with us very shortly, hopefully in time for next Wednesday. But anyway, take care, and we'll see you next time. Catch you later.